Hey there, Singaporean investors. Tired of sifting through endless news, trying to figure out what truly matters for your SGX portfolio? Or maybe you're wondering how today's market moves impact your investments. Welcome to the Investing Iguana's Daily SGX Market Digest for September 15th, 2025. I'm Iggy, and in the next few minutes, I'm cutting through the noise to bring you the critical updates, hidden insights, and Iggy's unique take on exactly what happened on the SGX today and what it means for your money. No jargon, just clear, actionable intelligence you won't find anywhere else. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2024 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers. We just crossed the 1 million mark for number of reads and 58,000 likes. I've produced over 1,000 videos with more than 600,000 watch hours as of August 2025. I also focus on regional and global economic trends, giving you that broader context. So let's dive into today's most important SGX movements. You don't want to miss what's impacting your portfolio right now. The Straits Times Index saw a slight dip today, closing at 4,038.42, down 0.1% or 5.82 points. This meant Singapore bucked the upward trend seen in some other regional markets. Across the broader market, advances outnumbered decliners 319 to 240 out of a total of 1.7 billion shares, traded worth 1.4 billion. Today's picture: a mix of cautious optimism as investors brace for the upcoming Fed decision, with Singapore's market still sitting close to record highs for 2025. Let's zoom in on a few key companies that stood out today. Singapore Airlines, a major player in the aviation sector, reported a 5.4% increase in passenger traffic for August compared to last year, outpacing the group's 2.7% passenger capacity growth. Passenger load factor rose 2.3 percentage points to 88%. Both SIA and Scoot contributed, with SIA hitting 86.9% and Scoot soaring to 91.9% load factor. Despite these positive numbers, the SCA counter closed slightly lower at $6.51, down 0.5% or sterling dollars 3s before the announcement. This suggests investors may already have priced in the strong performance or are waiting for clarity on future margins in a competitive industry. SIA has a market cap of about 1515B and a current dividend yield around 0.15%. The load factor gains are a good sign, but the muted price reaction might signal some caution or wait and see, given fuel price and macro uncertainties in aviation right now. Shifting gears to real estate, GuocoLand caught investor interest today. Its subsidiary GLLIHT priced an offering of $200 million in notes under its $3 billion multi-currency program. These notes will carry a fixed interest of 2.3% per annum and mature in September 2029. The market liked what it heard. GuocoLand's shares jumped 3%, or STI, to close at $207 right before the news broke. Strong demand for fixed income instruments in an active capital market are positives. GuocoLand's move helps to lock in low borrowing costs for the medium term, showing management's focus on managing debt prudently in a rising rate environment. For property investors, this might help steady GuocoLand's balance sheet and could translate to steadier dividends ahead if property demand remains firm. All right, let's pull all of today's movements together into Iggy's daily market take. The big theme: a cautious market resting just below record highs, with gains in property and aviation leaders showing where investors see resilience. Meanwhile, major banks softened a bit on rate cut expectations. The most crucial takeaway today is the growing importance of macroeconomic awareness. Even strong operating numbers like SIA's don't always mean a surge in share prices if the market is already positioned for those results. For me, this underscores why it's essential to look at both company numbers and the broader economic signs. Think of your portfolio as a soccer team, not just a collection of star players. You want balance, flexibility, and the ability to pivot as the playing field shifts. Remember, maintain your diversification and don't let sector headlines pull you too far off your long-term investment plan. Keep tracking global moves, but watch how Singapore's unique resilience keeps showing up in real estate and transport. That's the scoop for the SGX today, September 15th, 2025. Navigating these daily market shifts is crucial for your wealth growth right here in Singapore. If you